Before you upload your music to FreshTunes, stop for a second, because most people assume all music distribution platforms are the same. The surprising truth is that FreshTunes offers completely free distribution to major platforms, but it comes with limitations you need to know. FreshTunes is a digital distribution platform that allows musicians to release their music to Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, and more without upfront costs. You won't believe what happens next when independent artists realize they can keep 100% of their royalties while still reaching global audiences. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume free means fully unlimited. While FreshTunes doesn't charge upfront fees, it has restrictions on release types, monetization features, and additional promotional tools that paid platforms may offer. Getting started is simple. Create an account, upload your track, fill in the metadata, select platforms for distribution, and submit. FreshTunes handles the delivery, ensuring your song appears on all selected streaming services. Reporting tools track streams, downloads, and revenue in real time. The upside is zero upfront cost and a simple, straightforward workflow. Musicians keep full royalties and have access to global distribution without worrying about technical uploads or platform compliance. The downside is limited promotional support and analytics compared to premium services. Artists looking for marketing campaigns, playlist pitching, or advanced audience insights may need additional tools outside FreshTunes. The surprising truth about FreshTunes is that it's ideal for new or independent artists who want to distribute music widely without paying fees, but growth and promotion require extra effort. If this honest review helped you understand FreshTunes, subscribe for more music platform reviews and independent artist tips.